Hey guys, Travels with Animus here. Just want to let you know, um, doing a bit of a um, slight impromptu um, toy unboxing video, holiday unboxing video. So, so the this is one of my this is one of my lightsabers. This one particularly um is an Inquisitor lightsaber. And the way this is a Shanto lightsaber. Because, or what's better known as a staff saber. Or, I guess in this case, a short staff saber. And what this one does, what the Inquisitor one does is spin. So you can change it to whatever mode you want. So you can block it this way, you can do it this way and have it so you can go like this, or you can have it the other way. And then I have the complete collection of the Mandalorian set. And then a Star Wars book on Batuu, the guidebook to Batuu. A Lego set for Star Wars. A T-shirt that that protects Monsters University. Everyone see? I'm not taking this out, but here's a picture on it. So this is a X-Wing. It's pretty small, so I'm keeping it in its box. Peppermint bark candy. A Harry Potter ornament. I'm guessing this is Ron. Some M&M candy cane. A Yeti chocolate bar. And to finish it out for now, 2 different types of Grogu. This is him holding the bar, the little ball that he likes to play with, from the Razor Crest. And this is him, I'm guessing, trying to use the Force. No, this one's him using the Force, and this one is him holding his little ball from the Razor Crest from the Mandalorian. These are both from the Mandalorian. Okay? So, just thought I'd give you that. So, and I know you guys would like to hear a Christmas song from me. So, I'm just going to do a small church song that I sing every Christmas during the children's choir mass. Okay? Mary met an angel unexpectedly as she was walking in the garden. Mary said, "Oh angel, how you startled me." As she was walking in the garden, Mary was excited and fell on her knee. As she was walking in the garden, Angel said, "Oh Mary, how don't be scared of me." When she saw the angel in the garden. Well, I think I have time for one more song. Little donkey, on the dusty road. little donkey had no, forget it. Uh, I'm sorry about that. I can't do it. Let me see if I can do another one. Rat-a-tat-tat, rat-a-tat-tat. No, no, no. There isn't any room and you can't stay here. There isn't any room for strangers. The wind may be chill and the night may be cold and full of noises in the dark and danger. But there isn't any room, there isn't any room, there isn't any room for strangers. Rat-a-tat-tat, rat-a-tat-tat. Yes, yes, yes. There is a little room and you can stay here. There is a little room for strangers. Come from the cold to the stable there, which is full of friendliness and warmth. Yes, there is a little room, there is a little room, there is a little room for strangers. Well, there you go, guys. 2 church songs from Christmas Eve Children's Mass, as well as regular Mass. But, don't really do that much anymore. So, that should do it. Until next time, guys. Stay tuned and maybe I'll do something on New Year's. But who knows? Until then, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, Feliz Navidad, Maha Maliki Maka, for those of you who are Hawaiian. And just all around Merry Christmas to all. Hope everyone had a good Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Till then, everyone, I'll see you next time, so stay tuned.